Welcome to Esoteric Spirituality. I'm your host, Bella Bentora. Today we'll be looking into the topic Kundalini Awakening and Nuclear Fission. Kundalini Awakening parallels a process called nuclear fission in nuclear physics, in which the nucleus of an atom, embodiment of primordial universal life energy, splits into subatomic parts oscillating at higher frequencies and releasing inherent energy stored within the atom. The fission process produces free neutrons and photons in the form of gamma rays experienced as heat, thus releasing a very high amount of energy as the original particle is liberated to a subatomic form. This division of atoms creates an endothermic reaction in which the stored energy inherent in the system is released within the body. Fission is considered a form of transmutation of universal life force energies of the sexual force, meaning the sum energy of the parts become greater, exceeding the energy at the nucleus which initiated the magnetic field. Thus, a manifestation of eternal evolving consciousness of Brahman, of Vedanta, and Sri Tripura Sundari of Shakti Tantra. Tantra advocates for the assimilation of the universal life force, harnessing it into spiritual awakening through Hatha Yoga practices. Hatha Yoga teaches the process of directing the life force, vital energy of prana by repeatedly smashing it against the nucleus of the Nadi system. Sushumna Nadi is the central pathway which the awakened prana ascends through. Sushumna is blocked until balance between the negative lunar tamasic energies and the positive solar rajasic energies is developed, so that the third sattvic energies of fire or transformation begins to take over and flow. Sushumna is the spiritual energies which then blossoms and overrides the previous dualistic conditions of the mind and body. Tantric traditions explore Kundalini Shakti awakening through the surge of prana as atom of duality is split and causal vital power is released from within, allowing the meditator to experience eternal intrinsic qualities of Satyam, truth, Shivam, effulgence, and Sundaram, beauty. Hatha Yoga, as well as Tantric sadhanas, primary goal is to awaken dormant causal power of Kundalini Shakti, harnessing cosmic vibratory sound in the nucleus of the atom. From this sound arises the current of prana or life force, animating all living system. The sound of the cosmic vibration is called Chit Shakti, the energy of consciousness, of the primordial root of all nature. It is for this reason that our latent causal energy of Kundalini Shakti is easily awakened via mantra, as divine frequency penetrates the nucleus of being. Awakening the high voltage of energy and its subsequent ascent to Sahasrara through Sushumna Nadi is the experience of total liberation from the confining gravity of matter into dimensions transcending time, space, and form. When the ascent of Sri Kundalini reaches Sahasrara, Shiva and Shakti unite, becoming a unified field of highest potential. Although many traditions speak only of ascent of Kundalini, it is through the descent of Shiva and Shakti as one unified field of consciousness that total regeneration and complete healing of the entire molecular structure take place. As a result of the nuclear fission of Kundalini awakening, the body is supercharged with the nectar of unquenchable prana Shakti. The orbit of the molecules within all the cells of the body actually speed up, and with all the dormant regions now fully illuminated, the brain begins to function at the subatomic quantum dimension, beyond the construct of the individual mind, moving prana, nadi, up the spine through the vertical chakra structure from bottom to top on the way to enlightenment. Let me know what you feel on this one. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.